The American dream, I'll have you know, is not under attack. The American dream, as you understand it, has gasped its last breath if we don't wake up soon. But the American dream isn't what you think it is. It is actually that phrase originally coined by a 20th century progressive, a Woodrow Wilson fan. The American dream, as Van Jones understands it, and this White House understands it, is about money, your pension, your house, your job. This is the American dream Van Jones is fighting for, and it is not as old as our Constitution. Evidence? Listen to the recent words of Van Jones himself.
It's a threat, not just to Democrats or to the president, but to what we hold dear, what we have built up as a nation over 100 years of progress toward the beauty of our founding dream.
I think he caught himself there. The country was founded over 200 years ago. They're fighting for a different American dream, and you must know the difference. How would you define the American dream? It's not about your pension. It's not about your house or your job. I believe the American dream is simply that a man can make his own way, free of the entanglements of a king or a group of elites that treat a population like a group of toddlers getting dressed in the morning. Here, wear this. Your choice is this one or this one. We are being now told what we can and cannot eat, what we can and cannot drive, what we can and cannot say, what light bulbs to use, how we worship in the case of the circumcision fight in San Francisco. It's not America. America, we and the Western world are at a tipping point. And the only way to tip the scales towards preserving freedom is through the individual. And we must prepare as individuals, not to be self-sufficient alone, but prepare so you can help others, so the government doesn't have to. Remember who you are, what God has done for you, what God has done for this country and man. Do not confine that to the walls of your house. Share those beliefs, share those blessings, and prepare to be a blessing to others as you lead the way out.